Hello and welcome to our video, Gain Career Clarity with this AI mind mapping exercise. Today, we will explore the world of mind mapping with AI tools to help you gain clarity in your career. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to join our community of career changers. Let's dive in. What exactly is an AI mind mapping tool? It is a software application that leverages AI to streamline and enhance your mind mapping experience. They offer intelligent suggestions, automate tasks, and enrich user interaction. For example, Ayoa.com. It suggests keywords and ideas, expanding your mind map dynamically. Another example is Whimsical AI. Known for analyzing content and suggesting creative connections. Also, Chatmind.tech. A chat-guided tool powered by GPT-4 for an interactive brainstorming session. Gain career clarity with this AI mind mapping exercise. Choose an AI mind mapping tool. For this example, I chose Whimsical. Create a central node and utilize the AI-powered features of the mind mapping tool to generate suggestions related to the central node. Create subtopics branching out from the central node based on the AI suggestions. Each subtopic can represent a specific aspect or reason for your career change. Expand each subtopic by adding more branches and nodes. Take a step back and reflect on the completed mind map. Connect related subtopics and branches to identify patterns and connections between different reasons for your career change. This will help you see the bigger picture and understand how various factors contribute to your decision. Remember, combining AI mind mapping with deep personal reflection is key. Watch our video Reflect Effectively, a key skill to use throughout your career roadmap to help you with reflection. Thanks for tuning in to Gain Career Clarity with this AI mind mapping exercise. Stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next one. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional career advice.